I am Carlos from HUFA Kitchenware Factory. Today I'm bringing to you our kitchen knife home series. And now let's take a look at the different model we have.
Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, Style 4, Style 5, Style 6, Style 7, Style 8, Style 9, Style 10, Style 11, Style 12, Style 13, Style 14, Style 15, Style 16, Style 17, Style 18, Style 19, Style 20, Style 21, Style 22, Style 23, Style 24, Style 25, Style 26, Style 27, Style 28, Style 29, Style 30, Style 31, Style 32, Style 33, Style 34, Style 35, Style 36, Style 37, Style 38, Style 39, Style 40, Style 41, Style 42, Style 43, Style 44, Style 45, Style 46, Style 47, Style 48, Style 49, Style 50, Style 51, Style 52, Style 53, Style 54, Style 55, Style 56, Style 57, Style 58, Style 59, Style 60, Style 61, Style 62, Style 63.
And also let's go to the factory to check the production process. And here is also our price list. Let's check it out together. If you are interested in our kitchen knife sets and you want to know more about the price and the other details, please leave a comment.
Welcome to HUFA Factory.